So today we're going to be making a polygonal vector background on Illustrator. So first what you're going to do is create a new document. So go File, New, and over here you're going to say 210 millimeters and 210 millimeters for the width and height. You can change this, it just depends on what you're wanting to make. Then click OK. Now what you're going to do is create a rectangle, but make sure that your fill has nothing in it. Hold down your mouse and make a square. Now what you're going to do is click on your direct selection tool, highlight your object and go Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste. Now that's created a duplicate of your actual square. Now to make it a lot easier, just highlight both of these, go Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste, and now you can see you're starting to make a grid. So highlight both of those and fit it there. Edit, Paste, and place that next to it. Okay, now you're going to select all of those, edit, copy, edit, paste, and you just keep doing this until you have the same amount of blocks in each column. Okay, so I'm just going to select this all and bring it down to the middle. When you want to move an object, click the center, this little dot, and you can drag the whole object. Now what you need to do is, still on this direct selection tool, move the corners. Only the outside of the squares, as we'll work on the inside just now. Now you need to make sure that the outside is identical, well, a mirror image of the top and the bottom, to make sure that your object will be tileable when you make a pattern later. So I'm just going to keep mixing these around and just creating a very distorted edge. So as you can see, this is quite a similar top to the bottom and each side. Now what you're going to do is distort the inside of your grid. So just grab the corners like I was doing now and just create your little shapes inside. It can be as detailed or as simple as you like. It just changes the outcome of your background in the sense that it makes it more complicated or more simple. So I'm just going to keep doing this for all of these. Oopsie. Just make sure you always grab the corner, not the actual shape, because it'll mess up your tileable object. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to start filling in these blocks. What I suggest you do is select the selection tool, so it'll select the whole entire block instead of just the edges. So click the fill box, double click it, and we're going to make this turquoise. So I'm just going to make each block its own little color. I'm just going to play around, make all of these different shades to make it have more of a depth to the object. Okay, this is a bit of a tedious task, but it's okay. If you get tired of choosing each color, you can always select your box, select the eyedropper tool, and just click some of the colors that you already have. Okay, this is our final one, and it is done. So now when you zoom out, you can see you've created an in-depth object. So now what you can do is select it. I think I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, so hold down shift. What this does is it stops your image from becoming unproportioned. So you're going to make this a little bit smaller and just bring it, paste, again, and you can see it's starting to make a polygonal background. It's okay if it goes off the edges, because once you save it, it's going to make just the page that you selected. So go File, Export, JPEG, and to your desktop or wherever you want to save it, and export. Now we want to make sure that CMYK, we want the quality to be high, the resolution also want to be high, and press OK. And there is our polygonal background. Thank you for watching.